Task Force 4 St. Louis. He's super erratic within the vehicle.
A woman leads deputies on a dangerous high-speed chase across multiple counties, from clear skies to a downpour.
748, 10-10, Trout River Bridge.
The pursuit began when St. Johns County deputies tried to stop a speeding vehicle on I-95. Instead of pulling over, she began driving erratically.
Go ahead. He's holding out a hammer.
He's holding a hammer out the window.
Task Force 4 St. Louis. He's super erratic within the vehicle. He's trying to hit us again. That was corrected. So we're gonna have to get on the road.
He's working across all 3 lanes. Just driving intensely off the road.
The driver continued driving recklessly, even attempting to collide with patrol vehicles and other motorists.
We're gonna stay 10-12 with FHP. They're taking over.
Florida Highway Patrol and Jacksonville deputies joined the pursuit as conditions shifted from bright skies to heavy rain.
10-10, Trout River Bridge.
Successful pit.
748, 10-10, Trout River Bridge.
Successful pit.
44, 23 tons on. So we're crashed out just before Hector Drive.
Put your hands up! Walk backward! Up on the floor.
The driver was arrested and now faces charges from multiple agencies, including reckless driving, fleeing and eluding, and aggravated assault on a law enforcement officer, ending a dangerous chase that crossed counties and weathered a storm.